Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, see some dry rotting on that tire. Overall though, looks good. Got some bubbles there. I know it's hard to see. You can see some little bubbles in the paint. Overall though, that looks good. Here on the top side, you're gonna see these little dimples every once in a while. There is a really small ding there. See some corrosion here on the handle. Overall though, this paint looks really nice. Little bubbles, little imperfections in the paint, but for the most part looks really good. See some small scuffs. Looking at the top, you have some stains, a little bit of red. You have some spots up here. I don't see any rips though. And then here on the front end, kind of scanning through this hood. Little dimples in the paint. I don't see any gashes or damage. Headlights look good. You're gonna see these little scuffs and scratches on that metal. For the most part though, that front end looks nice. Here in the engine bay, you can see this liner is tore up pretty good. And looking in here, okay, looking at the driver's side, that paint looks good. Little wear here and there, but otherwise looks nice. Looking at the top, you got a couple spots on it. A little bit of red. I don't see any rips or tears though. Looking on the back here, typical little scuffs. Overall, that's really clear. Making our way down the door. Overall looks really good. Now there are dimples in the paint. Little imperfections here and there. Kind of like this, if I get up close. Right there. For the most part, this paint looks really good, nice and bright. All right, looking at the back here. Okay, looking at the deck lid, little imperfections in the paint here and there, little bubbles. For the most part though, looks really good. That taillight looks nice. Overall, really clean. And you're gonna see some flaws in here, some scratches and cracks, looks like, in the paint. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. This door panel looks really nice. All 4 windows roll down perfect. A couple little stains there. You can see it kind of lifting here, but otherwise that trim looks nice. Door jamb looks good. These seats are amazing. Very, very clean. A little bit of wear on the steering wheel. Some of that gloss black is gone. You can see a little wear here. That looks good. Gauges look amazing. Looking at the upper side of the dash, a couple imperfections, but otherwise it looks good. That area looks nice. Couple scratches. But for the most part, it's in good condition. And then when you go in first gear, it sits right there on the seat, which is a little odd. But once you're out of first, it's not a big deal. Other than that, this interior looks really, really good. And looking at the door panel here, it's in really good condition. The window rolls down really nice. Looking at the seats, a little bit of wear right there. Bottom looks nice. This upper section looks good. Then here on the back seats, they look really nice. And all these windows work perfect. Seat back looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Couple scuffs on the dash here and there. Otherwise, it's in really good condition. That looks nice. That looks good. Shifter's clean. Overall, those visors look nice. It's a really good looking interior. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. Now it definitely pulls hard to the right. It does not stay straight, so the alignment needs to be looked at. And then the brakes are really mushy. It's definitely a struggle. Now to get in first, like I mentioned earlier in that video, if you pull down, it's right here, and that's in first gear. It's right by your right leg. It's a little odd, but once you get out of that gear, go up there to second. You can see its position now. Completely out of the way. The suspension feels good though. Overall it drives really good. Need to have that alignment looked. See, when I let go, see it pulling to the right. Like I said, brakes are not that great either. Still in second, throw in third. There, now we're in third.